Now we will see the application of Rayleigh's law. The Rayleigh's law was that scattering will be directly proportional to 1 upon lambda to the power 4. Now the next question is, it has the different applications. Okay, number 1, why the danger signals has red color. Okay, we have seen the danger signals that it generally contain the red colors. Okay, we have seen that it has something written on this board, that is warning, which generally the color on that warning was red. Now why we are using the red color on this case? Okay students, we have read about the vector, that is V. Now as we know, the wavelength of the upper side colors is smaller. If wavelength is less, definitely it will scatter more. But at the lower side colors, the wavelength is more. It has a larger value in this case. Definitely it will scatter less. Okay, suppose here is a danger board and we are seeing it from here. Now what will happen? The light rays which will travel from this place, okay, the blue color and the upper side color, if it is written on by the violet, indigo and blue color, that colors will emit in the all the direction, that is it will scatter more. Okay, but if it is written through a red color, what will happen? The light coming from this red color will not scatter more. Okay, it will scatter less and it will enter to our eye. So we can see the red color from a far away distance, and by this reason we can know that red color travels more distance, also, due to which we can see it, that red color board from a far away distance also. Okay, now the next phenomena that we have seen here, why we are using red, because red color has the more wavelength. If it has the more wavelength, then by the Rayleigh's law it will scatter less. Now the next is what we can see from here. Second application is that why the sky is blue. Why the sky is blue? Okay, we can generally see that the most of the time the color of our sky is blue. Now what happens in this case? It is our earth. Okay, it is what? It is our earth, and earth has the outer layer of atmosphere. Okay, means if it has atmosphere, definitely it has some particles of what? Dust, water and gases also. So we are generally talking about the blue color of the sky, and suppose our sun is here. Okay, now what will happen in this case we will see, and the color which is thrown by the sun on our earth have the different colors. Okay, so these colors will be of 7 colors. Now what will happen if light ray is coming? Okay, now if you can try to know that it will be a rarer medium, because it has vacuum and this atmosphere has denser medium. So whenever light ray will travel from rarer medium to denser medium, definitely it will bend towards the normal. So it will move like this. Okay. Now what will happen? Here refraction is taking place. Refraction is also taking place. Whenever a light ray will come from this point, it will bend. Okay. So what is happening actually? The refraction is taking place. First case is clear. Now the second case is scattering of light is also happening here. So what will happen when these colors will come here? So the particles of dust, water and gases will start scattering this light. As we know that violet color, violet, indigo and blue, all of these scatter more. But in the last, that is yellow, orange and red, that scatter less. Now what will happen? The violet, indigo, blue scatter more, means lambda is less. Okay, so during the entering in our atmosphere, the violet, indigo and blue scatters more. It spreads itself in the atmosphere. Okay, due to the lower wavelength, by using the Rayleigh's law, the violet, indigo and blue color will spread all over the atmosphere on our earth. Okay, so we can clearly see that the sky will be blue. Okay, due to the lower wavelength of violet, indigo and blue, the light ray will scatter more. If it will scatter more, definitely this light ray will cover whole atmosphere and it will behave like we are seeing a blue color. Okay, so sky will be blue. Now the next third part is why we see the sky having red color or orange color during sunset and sunrise. What happened in that case? Students, here we can see that light is traveling shorter path. But what will happen if sun is at horizon? Horizon means it will stay in this path. Okay, in the morning it is also at the horizon and in the evening it is also placed at the horizon. Now if the light rays are coming from this side, okay, and we know that the earth is not like a sphere, it has different shape. So here will be the much more wider atmosphere in this case. Okay, so what will happen? All the colors will travel through this air. Okay, if light colors will travel through this air has the dust particle, water particle and gases particle, violet, indigo and blue. Okay, due to the presence of more particle, they will scatter at the outer surface. Okay, the violet, indigo and blue will scatter at outer surface. But as light enters in the atmosphere, the violet, indigo, blue are scattering more. Okay, they will be lost in the atmosphere. We will not see these colors in the sunset and in the sunrise. Okay, now the question is why the sky has red and orange color during sunset or sunrise? Here we can see that orange, yellow and red color are scattered less. Why scattered less? Because lambda is more. According to Rayleigh's law, if lambda is more, definitely light will scatter less. So three colors have gone from the outer surface of the atmosphere, but as light travels more, the red, orange and yellow color will reach to our earth. It will scatter less, due to which we can clearly see that only red, orange and yellow color is coming to our eye. That's why we see the red, orange sunset or sunrise during the evening as well as in the morning. That's why sky has a red color or orange color during sunset or sunrise, because these three colors are left, due to which we are able to see these colors. If we will see outer side, definitely earth will look what? It will look blue, but inside we are seeing from here, definitely it will show the red, orange and yellow color, and the mix up of these colors, that is red, during the sunrise and sunset. Now the next question is also based on the Rayleigh's law. that is why the clouds are white. Clouds are white or the sky is white at noon. मीन्स दिन में 12 बजे ऐसा क्यों होता है कि ये मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हाइट कलर के ही दिखाई देते हैं. नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इन दिस केस स्टूडेंट्स, इट इज अवर अर्थ and at the noon the sun will be at this place. Okay, it is emitting all the lights, all the color of lights, but what happened in this case also, the light comes and they strike the atmosphere at 90 degree, and we know that the no reflection case, that if light ray is coming at an angle then it will show what? It will show refraction. But if light ray is not coming on this place, it is coming perpendicularly 90 degree, it will show no diffraction or no refraction, and it will go undeviated. Okay, so in this case what will happen, all the light colors will come in this place, it will create no refraction by the air particles. Okay, so the distance traveled is also less in this case, and all the colors will combine. Okay, will combine and will show an effect of white color of the sky, because no refraction is taking place. That's why at noon the generally sky is what? White, and clouds are also white. And we can see, we have seen that it is the smaller distance which it is traveling, but during the sunset and sunrise the light ray actually travels the longer distances. Okay, in this case we can see it is traveling the longer distances, and when it is traveling the longer distances it is showing the sky is red, and when it is covering the smaller distances it is showing the sky is white. So that's all the cases which happen due to the Rayleigh's law, due to the scattering of light, that light scatters itself. In this case light combines, in this case violet, indigo, blue scatter more at the outer side and reaching, and the inner side only reaching what? Red, orange and yellow color. They all combine to give the reddish effect during sunset or sunrise. And we have already seen that scattering is also used in the red danger boards also. Okay.